Friends, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I'm going to discuss about the multiple choice question of human reproduction chapter 3rd of class 12th. So let's start. Both corpus luteum and macula lutea are found in human ovaries, characteristics by yellow colored humans, a source of hormones contributory in maintaining pregnancy. So correct answer is B, characterized by yellow colored humans. The phase of menstrual cycle in humans that lasts for 7 to 8 days is follicular phase, ovulatory phase, luteal phase, menstruation. So correct answer is A, follicular phase. Which one of the following statement with regard to embryonic development in human is concerned with cleavage division brings about considerable increase in the mass of protoplasm? In the second cleavage division, one of the two blastomere usually divides a little sooner than second. With more cleavage, the resultant blastomere become larger and larger. Cleavage division result in the hollow ball of cell called morula. So correct answer is B. In the second cleavage division, one of the two blastomere usually divides a little sooner than second. In spermatogenesis, the maturation phases involve formation of spermatids from primary spermatocytes through meiosis, formation of oogonia from spermatocytes through meiosis, growth of spermatogonia into primary spermatocytes, formation of spermatogonia from gonocytes through mitosis. And correct answer is A. Formation of spermatids from primary spermatocytes through meiosis. Sertoli cells are found in the upper part of fallopian tubes, in the germinal epithelium of seminiferous tubules, between the seminiferous tubules, in germinal epithelium of ovary. And correct answer is B, in germinal epithelium of seminiferous tubules. How can one can keep a tadpole of frog unchanged in the same stage for pretty long time? Maintain them on a very little food, provide a diet rich in proteins, add a lot of thyroxine to the aquatic medium, provide them anti-thyroid substance like thiourea. And correct answer is D. Provide them an anti-thyroid substances like thiourea. Which of the following does not represent the 15th to 18th day of menstruation cycle? Menstrual phase, progestational phase, luteal phase, and D, follicular phase. And correct answer is D, follicular phase. Which one of the following arise from endoderm? Eye, pigment cells, heart, lungs. And correct answer is D, lungs. Lungs is arise from endoderms. Secondary spermatocytes are haploids, diploids, triploids, tetraploids. And correct answer is A. Secondary spermatocytes are haploids. Polyspermy is prevented by fertilization cone, fertilization membrane, jelly coats, tertiary membrane. And correct answer is B. Fertilization membrane. A fluid-filled cavity present within blastula is called archenteron, blastocele, blastoderm, blastopore. And correct answer is B, blastocele. The characteristics features of gastrula is occurrence of more metabolic changes in eggs, activation of eggs, pace of cellular division is slowed down, formation of fertilization membrane. And correct answer is C, pace of cellular division is slowed down. Human placenta is derived from chorion, allantois, amnion, allantois and chorion. And correct answer is A, chorion. Human placenta is derived from chorion. In human amniotes, in female amniotes, oviduct is modified. Cuvicer ducts, Gardner ducts, Wolffian ducts and Mullerian ducts. D. So correct answer is D, Mullerian duct. In female amniotes, oviduct is modified into Mullerian duct. Epithelial tubules connected with rete testis and lower part of ductus epididymis are called ductus coldocus, ductus reunions, ductus aberrantus, ductuli aberrantus and ductuli efferentus. So correct answer is D, ductuli efferentus. Number of secondary spermatocytes required to produce 200 spermatozoa are 50, 100, 200, 400. And correct answer is B, 100. After ovulation, the structure formed by the Rupture of follicle is known as corpus albicans, corpus luteum, corpus callosans, corpus mammillari. And correct answer is B, corpus luteum. Rupture of follicles after rupture of follicles it forms corpus luteum. Wolffian ducts forms epididymis, oviduct, ejaculatory duct, urethra. And correct answer is A, epididymis. Wolffian duct forms epididymis. Egg and eutherian mammals are megalocithal, telolocithal, microlocithal, alocithal. And correct answer is C, microlocithal. Graafian follicles are formed from stroma of ovaries, columnar epithelium of testes, germinal epithelium of ovaries, assembly of ribosomes in bacteria. And correct answer is C, germinal epithelium of ovaries. Spermatogenesis is induced by FSH, MSM, SH, ACTH, SCG. So correct answer is A, FSH, follicle stimulating hormone. Spermatogenesis is induced by follicle stimulating hormone. Ovulation in female is under the control of LTH, ADH and LH, FSH and LH, and LTH and LH. And the correct answer is FSH and LH, follicle stimulating hormone and luteinizing hormone. Onset of menstruation is due to increase in level of progesterone, fall in level of progesterone, increase in level of FSH, none of these. And correct answer is C, increase in level of FSH. Shortest phase in the menstruation cycle of women: A, menses, luteal phase, ovulatory phase, follicular phase. And correct answer is B, luteal phase is the shortest phase. Which of the following statement is correct? Corpus luteum changes into corpus albicans. Corpus luteum persists throughout pregnancy. Corpus luteum degenerates after fertilization. Corpus luteum not formed during pregnancy. And correct answer is A, corpus luteum changes into corpus albicans. Fertilization of egg by sperm in the female genital tract occurs in A, uterus, ovary, vagina, oviduct. And correct answer is D, oviduct. 1 million oocytes and 1 million secondary spermatocytes will form 2 million ova and 2 million sperms, 2 million ova and 1 million sperms, 1 million ova and 1 million sperms, 1 million ova and 2 million sperms. And the correct answer is D, 1 million ova and 2 million sperm. Acrosome is a type of lysosome, flagellum, ribosome and basal body. And the correct answer is A, lysosome. Nutritive cells found in seminiferous tubules are Sertoli cells, Leydig cells, chromophene cells, spermatogonial cells, atretic follicular cells. And the correct answer is A, Sertoli cell is the nutritive cells. In the female, hormone inhibin is secreted by theca cell, zona pellucida, granulosa cell, corpus luteum. And answer is D is the correct answer, corpus luteum. Inhibin is secreted from corpus luteum. Graafian follicle contain oogonial cells, corpus albicans, corpus luteum, thecal layers. And the correct answer is D, thecal layers. Ovulation in the human female normally takes place during the menstrual cycle. At the beginning of the proliferative phase, at the end of the proliferative phase, at the mid of secretory phase, just before the end of the secretory phase. And the correct answer is B, at the end of the proliferative phase. In which of the following organisms testes distend into scrotum in breeding system but not in inbreeding seasons goes up? Frog, bat, screw, kangaroo. And the correct answer is B, bat. Nivencum is a part of human ovum, human sperm, fetus, Graafian follicles. And the correct answer is B, human sperm. Yellow colored milk secreted by cattle soon after the birth of a calf is called colostrum, kind. And the correct answer is B, colostrum. Cauda epididymis lead to retitestis, vas deferens, vas efferentia, ejaculatory duct. And the correct answer is B, vas deferens. Which one is unpaired gland in male reproductive system? Seminal vesicle, corpus gland, prostate glands, and lacrimal gland. And the correct answer is C, prostate gland. In mammal, the testes are located in scrotal sac for spermatogenesis, sex differentiations, more space to visceral organs, independent functioning of kidney. And the correct answer is A, spermatogenesis. The cellular layer that disintegrates and regenerates again and again is dermis of skin, cornea of eye, endometrium of uterus, endothelium of blood vessels. And the correct answer is C, endometrium of uterus. Acrosome is made up of Golgi bodies, mitochondria, ribosomes, centrioles. And the correct answer is A, Golgi body. Acrosome is made of Golgi body. In mammal, failure of testes to distend into scrotal sac is known as cryptorchidism, castrations, impotency, and padiogenesis. And the correct answer is A, cryptorchidism. Middle piece of sperm contains mitochondria and Golgi body, centriole and Golgi body, axial filament and Golgi body, mitochondria and axial filament. And the correct answer is D, mitochondria and axial filament. Leading cells are present in the mammalian liver, testes, kidney, duodenum. And the correct answer is B, testes. During embryonic development, gray crescent is the area at the point of entry of sperm into the ovum, just opposite at the site of entry of sperm into ovum, at the vesical pole, at the animal pole. And the correct answer is B, just opposite to the site of entry of sperms into ovum. So B is the correct answer. If a mammalian ovum fails to get fertilized, which one of the following is unlikely? Corpus luteum will regenerate, primary follicles start developing, estrogen secretion further decrease, progesterone secretion rapidly declines. And the correct answer is B, primary follicles start developing. A cross section at the midpoint of the middle piece of human sperm will show centriole, mitochondria, and 9+2 arrangement of microtubules. Centriole and mitochondria, C, mitochondria and 9+2 arrangement of microtubules, and D is the 9+2 arrangement of microtubules only. And the correct answer is C, mitochondria and 9+2 arrangement of microtubules. So C is the correct answer. The type of placenta found in human beings is called diffuse, zonary, cotyledonary, and discoidal. And the correct answer is D, discoidal. The germ layer responsible for the formation of internal ear is ectoderm, mesoderm, endoderm, both A and B. So, and correct answer is A, ectoderm. Internal ear is made up of ectoderm. Sertoli cells are found in seminiferous tubules, ovarian follicles, uriniferous tubules, small intestine. And the correct answer is A, seminiferous tubules. Sertoli cells are found in seminiferous tubules. Extraembryonic membranes present in amniotes, amphibians, arthropods. And the correct answer is B, amniotes. So if you're new to my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get all new updates. And thank you for watching. And if you like this video, please share it with all. And in next video, we will discuss more multiple choice questions related to these chapters. Thank you so much.